So when someone opens up a website, if you want the form to appear as a pop-up, then you can actually go ahead and utilize a pop-up embed. So to do that, you can go to Publish right here and then go to Embed, and here you will be able to see link to a pop-up form. So here what you can do is you can go ahead and copy out this code, and then this is the page where I want to add the pop-up in, and this is the code for it. So let's just go ahead and then open up Notepad to edit out the code. So here you can simply go ahead and add in the code anywhere right here. So let's just go ahead and add this in right here, just like this, as you can see. So let me just go ahead and save it. And as I do that, let's just go ahead and refresh. And here you can see a link. So if you were to click on this, Jotform comes up as a pop-up link, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and fill up the form from here. And that is basically how you can go ahead and add in a pop-up form embed of Jotform right here, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.